Hello and welcome. Today's video is about music and dementia. Can our favorite old songs, our favorite playlist help us to improve memory? So music, we all experience the power of music. Who doesn't like music? Music calms our mind, it lifts our mood, it helps us to push the boundaries of physical activity, it soothes us to sleep. So music is a part of our everyday life. And lot of research done in this area, the role of music in health and disease. So research shows music is useful in cancer treatment, chronic pain, recovery from stroke, reducing anxiety and depression, improves well-being, positive effect on cognitive function, development in newborn babies, to name a few. So there are several health and general benefits of music. So coming to music and brain. So our focus is music and dementia. So I would like to talk a little bit about the connection between music and brain. So what happens to our brain? So music affects multiple areas in brain that process emotions, memory, perception, learning, reaction and movement. So research has shown the power of music to regenerate the brain and its connection. So music and dementia, what is the link? Many causes for dementia is linked to cell death in the brain. So hence there is a possibility that music could mend or strengthen damaged neural connections and cells. So that is the connection between music and dementia. So is it any music? Generally music helps, but the biggest impact on the way we feel and is closely linked with memory and emotions is from familiar and favorite music. So any music may help, but the biggest impact is from our favorite playlist. So listening to our favorite songs releases feel-good hormones that give us a sense of pleasure. So curated music playlist of our favorite music could be the key in helping us deal with the stress of everyday life. So what is the relevance of musical memories in Alzheimer's and dementia? So research shows part of the brain linked with musical memories are less affected in Alzheimer's and dementia than other areas of the brain. So this is an important thing, that the part of the brain linked with musical memories are less affected than other parts. So this explains why memories and experiences that are linked to favorite music are often preserved for people with such conditions. So this is another power of music and the relevance in Alzheimer's and dementia. And it also helps to manage the experience of distress, agitation and other symptoms. So coming to specific research. So I would like to mention few research related to music and dementia. The first research is from Cambridge Institute for Music Therapy Research. So this is a case study, but in-depth case studies. So the case studies of two people with dementia showed repeatedly listening to their favorite music improved their heart rate and movements. So there was a direct response in relation to listening to their favorite music. Their heart rate and movements changed. This showed that people's physical responses were affected by musical features like rhythm and arrangement. So the second study is from Australia. It is done in 74 residents with advanced dementia. So people who listen to regular music sessions, people with dementia who listen to regular music sessions experienced less agitation, aggression and anxiety, and their general mood was improved. And they even needed less medication. And the third study is from Italy. This is a randomized controlled trial. It's an experimental study of 35 people, and it tests the effect of music training to support cognition for people with dementia. So the results have been promising so far, with people in the music group showing improved executive functioning, which includes problem solving, emotion regulation, and attention, compared to those who took part in just physical exercise. So these three researchers, which is specifically on music and dementia, shows promising results. So there is evidence from scientific studies that listening to music light up our brains in many places, reaching the parts that others can't. Also, research evidence suggests that music, especially familiar music, can slow down cognitive decline. So you also must have heard about stories or read about in books or watched in movies, or you must have had a personal experience while caring for people with dementia, that people who are withdrawn and apathetic were brought to life when they listened to their favorite songs. They expressed emotions. So recently I listened to a TED talk by Stephen Hunt, and he was talking about precision music. So what he meant by precision music is it is like a personalized music. So when people listen to personalized music, their brains were lit up like a Christmas tree. So that was observed in functional MRI scans. So that was a very interesting TED talk to listen, and he was narrating in a very beautiful and very touching way. I have provided a link in the description. You can watch that TED talk. That is about precision music. There is something to take home for everyone from this video. For researchers, this is an important area to explore. We need many research in this area. Currently, we have only few research done in dementia people. So more research is needed to explore favorite music and playlist and different type of music therapy in caring for dementia people and how they respond, how it affects the care, etc. So for professionals and for those carers for people with dementia, so this is something that is good to integrate or incorporate into the routine care. And for all of us, it is good to collect our favorite playlist, and this can help in preventing cognitive decline and help in our memory. So, hope this video is useful. Start collecting your playlist and start your brain workout by listening to your all favorite songs. So, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.